Hi everyone, I'm Sachiko Komagata, the instructor of IH305 Foundations of Health and Wellness Coaching. I would like to show you the Blackboard site so you will be oriented to where things are, how to get started. Let's begin. When you see the menu on the left-hand side, you will see an announcement right here. That gives you the access to the announcement I provide to the class. I will do weekly wrap-up of the activities, as well as if there's any items that I would like to share with you and remind you of the assignment, etc. Moving on to start here, this will show my instructor intro video, how to contact me, email and phone contact, as well as accessibility and usability. Now you know how to contact me here, right? Moving on to course outline, you can click onto this document and you will see the course outline with all kinds of information about the course. Now into the lesson modules. It is organized by the week. So you will go to the week you are currently in. For those who would like to work ahead, you are welcome to do so. I just keep the pace and make sure I send out the information at the time of the week. Let's look at the week 1. Inside the folder, each folder has a module objectives at the top. So you will see that module objectives. What to accomplish by going through this week. In addition to that, there are some learning materials such as reading, PowerPoint presentation, videos, and finally, you will see an icon with a pen that is a discussion forum. First week is introduce yourself. So you will click onto this and respond to that discussion board. Each week is organized just like this, so you will have no surprises. Next item right here is discussions. Here is a list of discussion forum already set up for the course. So week 7, week 8, and on, you will see the list of it. You can either click onto this week number forum right here to enter the discussion forum, or you can go to each week modules section to get to the discussion forum. These are linked, so either one will work for you. Groups, we are not using groups at this point, so we're going to move on. And the next one relevant to you is My Grades. If you like to find out how you are doing in terms of your grades, please look at your grade right here. There's a calendar, email, and I'm going to move on to most important 3 things right here. Student services and policies. This has many folders and many documents such as academic honesty policy, global education, independent study, and early warning, and on and on and on. Please take a look at it before the class starts. The next one right here is student technology resources. I'm going to click onto this one to show you a couple things. So right here, the instructional technology people worked on the really amazing site. So right here in the student technology resources now that your class is online tutoring services, the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra info, this is a asynchronous conference tool, and couple things, Google Docs, how to use Google Docs and mobile apps. Kaltura gives you the opportunity to record a session, a brief recording, and accessibility and so forth. So I hope you will have a chance to take a look at this section sometime later. And finally, if you'd like to access the Blackboard itself outside the Georgian Code IT services, you can click onto this Blackboard Help Then you can type in concern, how to look up grade, and then you get to the right source. So I hope this helped you to get the idea about what's in here. And the GCU has amazing number of services, including libraries, writing center, tutoring services. So I hope you will take advantage of everything possible at Zhojiang Court. Thank you for your attention. Looking forward to seeing each of you.